Look at the beauty of nature. Look at this beauty of nature. Look at that. Look at that. The ducks are feeding. They never have to pay rent. They got food and everything they need. We're the only species that have to pay to live. Look at this beautiful. Look at the sound. Hear the sounds of nature. Oh, yes, baby. Coming closer. All free of charge. Why wouldn't I love what God provides for me for free? Mwah. That's why when abundance comes, I am going to be ready for it. I appreciate the little things. That's what's up.